Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can search for specific words on a site through the Google Chrome app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Google Chrome, go to a site where you would like to search for something specific. Tap on these three little dots on the top right corner. Then scroll down and here you will see Find In page. And here you have to type a word what you are searching for. For example, and after I typed more, then it find 4 words like this, and with this arrow you can go to the words. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.